is all you'll need for an easy but tasty soup. Some celery sticks, 5 or 6 depending on the size. 3 green bell peppers to keep the soup green. A potato to thicken it up a bit, an onion, a spoonful of honey, some garlic, as much or as little as you'd like, and some vegetable stock. First thing we're going to do, give the peppers and celery a good wash. Then we're going to top and tail the celery. Just cut the top and bottom bits off. Chop that into little pieces. And then we're going to get rid of the seeds and the pith from your peppers. The easiest way I've found is just to press that middle bit in, rip it in half, and then out comes that rubbish along with your pith. When you've got your veg chopped, it's time to go in with a glug of oil into your pan, and then it's in with your onions, potato, celery and peppers. Then into there with a good pinch of salt and some cracked black pepper. Then it's on with a lid and on a low heat simmer that away so that it fries and steams and softens all the veg down. When your veg have had 5 or 10 minutes softening down, time to go in with your garlic. Get that mixed in and then just give that a couple of minutes to heat through. When your garlic's had a couple of minutes, it's time to go in with a litre of your veg stock. And then finally into there with a good tablespoon of honey. Get that mixed in. Then you're going to cover it, simmer it on low heat for at least 30 minutes. The longer you simmer it, the less chance you'll have of any stringy bits coming off your celery. Sometimes they can be a bit stringy, celery. So simmer away for 30 minutes or longer, then we'll come back to it. And your soup's been simmering away for 30 minutes or more. Time to take it off the heat. Let it cool down a little bit because you're going to put it into a blender now. So into a blender and then get it blitzed up until it resembles soup. When the blender's done its job, it's time to put it back into the pan, butter yourself some nice crusty bread and get stuck in.